Russia consumes large amounts of resources, both as they sacrifice a lot of equipment on the battlefield, but as they use many area-covering weapon systems which they need to constantly feed with ammunition. With this, Russia needs a lot of supply trucks to be sent to the front line. These are vulnerable to attacks, as seen here when a FPV drone destroys a Ural supply truck. But these trucks can also reveal other equipment is in the area, which was the case here, as the Ukrainian drone army could send one after another drone to destroy a BM-21 Grad system, a BMP-2 and a BTR-80, resulting in a lot more destroyed equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.